Let's get ready to rumble!
Kung isipin mo, imposible mangyari kung sa part namin dahil yung sitwasyon namin, wala kaming gym, wala kaming masyadong suporta. Kumbaga, talagang pangarap lang talaga. Pero sabi ko, wala naman siguro imposible kung talagang ginusto natin.
And a winner via knockout, receiving a gold medal in the men's middleweight from the Philippines, Amir Felix Marcia.
Big dreams, a whip clean, I shift mean green, sip lean, and the ops don't know. Free up my team with a big dream and a mean man, never go pro. See man up in the chat, but I know how to react, po, no, I never so cold. Come run up in the back, get a back, you don't want this.